Hi everyone, 안녕하세요. This is Ava from Glow with Ava and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you guys are joining me today for a really exotic, exciting topic, which is Milia. I know, but it is an important topic that has to be touched upon. I get so many questions about Milia and it's something that I've suffered for years and years and years as well and still do. So today in this video, we are going to be talking about some of the main causes behind Milia and the solutions of it and basically what to do and what not to do. So with that, let's begin our very exciting video on Milia. All right, so very first thing, for those of you who don't know what Milia is, good for you and I envy you. But basically they are small white milky cysts that grow on the surface of your skin. They're really, really annoying. But the thing is, they're not actually that dangerous and they will go away with the passage of time. But I know we don't want to just live with it because they're really annoying, they're ugly. So what are the biggest causes behind Milia? The biggest cause behind Milia is dead skin cells basically being trapped on your skin. So they're just forming a little home for themselves, waiting to get popped and escaped, but they can't. So that's what the white cysts are. It's because skincare can't penetrate deeply into your skin and they're just kind of sitting on top. The second reason is because of a lot of sun damage. That's when Milia can pop. I actually do have one right here underneath. It's covered by makeup, but after spending a whole week out in Palm Springs in the sun, I got like a freckle, dark spot kind of situation, but that also came with Milia. So that's another cause of it. Some other causes are post-trauma, such as chemical peels, laser treatments gone bad, and you can get Milia as well. And lastly, some other lifestyle factors like loss of sleep, a lot of stress, etc., etc. You've heard all of that. So now that we covered the causes of Milia, what are some of the things you can do? First, do not pop them. I know, they are the most tempting thing to pop. I feel like I can just like kind of squeeze it and it'll just like pop up and disappear. No, actually, I don't recommend doing this at all for Milia. Sometimes with pimples, I say go for it, but with Milia, it will 100% make it worse. I've tried this. It actually leaves a really, really bad scar that just doesn't disappear. So leave it alone rather than pop it. If you have bad Milia that you really, really want to treat it, then go to a pro. Go to a dermatologist's office and have them treat it that way. All right, but if you don't want to go to an in-office treatment, then these are the things that you can do actually at the comfort of your own home. First, this may be obvious, but you gotta double cleanse. I talk about this all the time, but if you don't properly double cleanse, that is a lot of oil buildup, a lot of sebum buildup just left overnight and it just piles on. And what happens if there's dead skin cells on top and top and top? That's how clogged pores and Milia can happen. So always go in with your oil cleanser, your cleansing balm, and then after that you want to go in with the right cleanser for your skin. I've done a topic on this one according to your skin type, so I'll link it down below and up here as well. But you know, you can use your hydrating cleansers, you can use your foaming cleanser, and sometimes you can even incorporate more of an acidic salicylic acid cleanser to help target all of that. After you double cleanse, if you are wearing a lot of makeup, I actually don't recommend using the really heavy oil-based eye makeup removers because those can actually leave more streaks and they're very hard to get rid of. Even if you use it, your eye makeup may be gone, but the oil in the makeup removers will stay on your skin and that will actually lead to more sweat glands building up and causing Milia. So I recommend using more gentle micellar cleansing waters. I actually use this one from Garnier. It's like one of the cheapest ones out there. There's a lot of other options that I can link down below as well, but this is one that I've been using for years. It is also waterproof and will not, you know, kind of leave the residue that a lot of other makeup removers do. And third, we're getting to the root of the problem, which is to exfoliate. My favorite way to exfoliate is by using pads. And I've been talking about these pads for over a year now. They're my absolute favorite. And these pore pads from Manicure are so special because they are dual textured. Basically, both sides are with silk pads, and they are a holy grail because one side, the side that has more of like embossing, is for you to exfoliate your dead skin cells away, reduces any more of the excess oil forming, and also helps to remove impurities. So when I feel like I'm getting a pimple or I've been out, you know, with wearing a mask all day long, that's when I will go in with these pads to kind of really get rid of the impurities that have built up on my skin all day long. And then we move on to the silkier, the softer side of the pad, and that is when the hydration aspect comes in. Hydrates and moisturizes, and it gives you the nice soft complexion after using it, because your skin can get a little irritated just by using the exfoliating side. These pore pads are so effective, but also hypoallergenic and great for sensitive skin. Even with the AHA and BHA that is in it, it also has centella asiatica to really soothe your skin overall. Next solution is to choose the right eye cream. And as I mentioned earlier, Milia is formed most easily around your eye area because this area is the most delicate and also doesn't produce the sweat glands that help to keep your eye area hydrated. And when that happens, that can actually lead to a lot more milia because there isn't enough circulation and for the product to penetrate deeply. So instead of relying on the heavy eye creams, I would actually, if you are more prone to milia, go for some of the more lightweight eye creams that can actually do the same job as something that is really, really heavy. And it's hard trying to find an eye cream that can do all of that. But this eye cream from Medicube really targets all of your concerns. And especially as you age, I'm in my 30s now, I am looking for eye creams that is able to target my early signs of aging, the fine lines, and the peptides in this eye cream is able to do that. This eye cream has quadruple the peptide technology behind it. It also has niacinamide to brighten the skin. And this one, I love the fact that it is in tube form, so you just have to apply it like this without getting your fingers dirty. Something that you can just squeeze out all over your face wherever you feel like you need it. It's lightweight enough for it to be used everywhere on your skin. And not only does it have the quadruple peptide technology and the niacinamide, it also is formulated with 7 different types of hyaluronic acid and collagen to give you that hydration and the elasticity. And elasticity is something that I look forward to the most, especially because I'm so sensitive to my eye area and the crow's feet that can form too. The next solution is you want to find a product that is able to target the problems from within and minimize the appearance of your pores. There's 2 ways you can do this. One is by using some of the AHA and BHAs that are commonly known, or you can also use a retinol serum or moisturizer. But with retinol, I know a lot of people are super sensitive to retinol, or you're pregnant so you can't use it, even though it is so effective at actually targeting your pores and fine lines. So I have another solution for you, and this is something that I've been absolutely loving. It is once again from Medicube. They're like the #1 like dermatologist approved brand in Korea, so I trust everything from them. But this one not only does it have AHA and BHAs, but it also has PHA. And PHA is something that is great for those with sensitive skin. It has the smallest molecule that is able to really deeply penetrate into your skin without causing any kind of sensitivity. The serum is formulated with 1% AHA, 0.2% BHA, and a whopping 14% PHA to get a 15.2% total acidic formula in this. And because of the PHA, there is zero sensitivity that I get. It has the smallest amount of acidity that is able to penetrate your skin a lot better. And the biggest problem with Milia is when your products cannot penetrate into your skin properly and it kind of just sits on top of your skin. That's when the cysts start to form. So you want to make sure you are applying the right skincare that is actually able to go into your skin and do its work. And along with the AHA and DHA and PHA, it also has 2% niacinamide that is also going to help with the elasticity of your skin and brighten up the skin. So that's just like another benefit of the serum. I love how lightweight this is. It's kind of got like a watery gel texture that immediately sinks into your skin but also hydrates from within. So this is a serum that can be used all year round for all skin types, and it's going to be powerful especially when your skin is going through more irritation or milia too. And the last tip I have for you is lifestyle changes. You know, I can always tell you to hydrate more, sleep well, all of that, but one practical advice I can actually give you is to start taking your vitamin D supplements. I always take 2 tablets of vitamin D every single day, and and that is something that is going to help, you know, your skin naturally combat the stubborn milia on your face. All right, that's a wrap on milia. Say goodbye to milia, and if you want to see more helpful skincare tips like this, then make sure to subscribe to my channel here, Glow with Ava, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok for daily skincare and beauty tips and hacks. All right, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next.